Hello and welcome to At-Leisure's prep course for the Massachusetts Construction Supervisor's Licensing Exam. My name is Wayne Del Pico and I'll be your facilitator for the course. I have over 40 years of practical experience in the construction industry. Currently, I'm using that experience as a litigation support specialist for construction-related litigation. I'm also a practicing neutral with the American Arbitration Association. Our course has been designed with the benefit of more than 100 years of professional construction experience between our multiple contributing professionals. It has been structured with the exam candidate in mind. It is organized to be user-friendly and easy to complete by the professional with limited time and a full plate of other responsibilities. We're not going to read to you and we're not going to show you fancy videos. We will, however, direct you to the relevant information in the various reference codes so that you can highlight them and study them and review them as part of your study routine. This course is designed to set you up for success. It's designed to be delivered in modules or groups of similar information. We introduce the student to the material within that section or chapter that is likely to be on the exam. You'll have the opportunity to rewatch each module if you so choose. Remember, it's not the goal of this course to have you memorize section and paragraph. It is the goal to develop a familiarity with where specific information is within the various codes and how they're applied. Do not lose sight of the goal. It is different than grade school where you are required to commit mounds of information to memory. At-Leisure provides instruction on how to use the various tables and charts so the student can practice. At the end of each module, the student can practice answering multiple choice questions on the material from that module. This helps the student not only become familiar with the material, but develop a comfort level with the exam process itself. We will also provide our recommendation for setting up your reference books to make it easier to study. Our course is geared toward the Massachusetts CSL Unrestricted Classification. This class of license allows the holder to supervise persons engaged in construction, reconstruction, alteration, repair, removal, or demolition of any activity regulated by the code for buildings containing less than 35,000 cubic feet of enclosed space and 1 and 2 family dwellings or any accessory building thereto, irrespective of size. To sit for any of your license exams, there are prerequisites. The two most important are: candidates must be at least 18 years of age at the time of the exam, and candidates must have a minimum of 3 years experience, which can be partially satisfied by an education. On the day of the exam, you'll be allowed to bring to the test site with you reference materials, specifically code books that have been highlighted and tabbed for use during the exam. Electronic versions of the reference materials will not be allowed and reference materials cannot be shared. At-Leisure and I personally look forward to guiding you through the study and exam process and once licensed to be your source for continuing education training.